Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Chief Minister of Assam, launched an attack on Congress leader Rahul Gandhi after taking note of all the remarks made by him at Cambridge University. He ripped him apart in a long Twitter thread supported by facts. Biswa Sarma accused the latter of targeting his country on a foreign soil and added that his lecture was nothing but a brazen attempt to denigrate our country. While giving a lecture at Cambridge University, Rahul Gandhi stated that the Indian democracy is under threat as he can't freely express himself. To this, Himanta Biswa stated that Rahul was able to complete his 4,000-kilometer long Bharat Jodo Yatra only because the Modi government provided him protection. He further took a dig at him, saying, "Do we need to remind him how yatras led by BJP leaders were sabotaged when Congress was in power?" Biswa Sarma then slammed Rahul for his Pegasus comment, stating that the latter refused to submit his phone when the Supreme Court carried out an investigation. He further added that Supreme Court didn't find a single evidence of Pegasus.
Capture and control of media and the judiciary, surveillance and intimidation. I myself had Pegasus on my phone. Large number of politicians have Pegasus on my phone, on their phone. I've been called by intelligence officers who tell me, listen, please be careful what you're saying on the phone.
Coming to Rahul's remarks that minorities are unsafe in India, Assam CM reminded him that since 2014, communal violence in India has been the lowest and minority families are living with prosperity and dignity. Biswa Sarma gave a witty reply to Rahul's comment, "India is a union of states modelled after Europe."
This is an attack on the basic structure of Indian democracy. In the Constitution, India is described as a union of states, and that union requires a negotiation, requires a conversation. So it's slightly different than other countries. You can think about it much more at the scale of Europe, right?
The former noted, Bharat and her Mahajanpadas as a civilization entity has been in existence thousands of years before even Europe became a political entity, yet we are modelled after them. At his lecture, Rahul praised China for being an aspiring superpower and cited the Belt and Road Initiative as the epitome of the same. To this, Himanta affirmed, BRI is solely responsible for the debt crisis facing several countries today. Uncle Petroda should have told him this. Assam Chief Minister also asked Rahul Gandhi why he did not report to security agencies if he witnessed Kashmiri militants. He added, was there some understanding Congress had with these militants to protect Rahul?
So the guy says, call me, I say come. So he comes, starts walking next to me. And he says, Mr. Gandhi, you've come here to listen to us. So I'm like, yes. So he's like, that's interesting. He's like, you really come here to listen to us? And I'm like, yes. So he's like, good. And then he says, you see those guys over there? And we're walking. And he says, you see those guys over there? And I'm like, yes, who? He's like, those boys over there. And I'm like, yeah. He's like, the militants.
Himanta Biswa then criticized Gandhi for calling the Pulwama attack a car bomb that killed 40 soldiers. Biswa said, how dare he insult us Jawans? It wasn't a bomb, sir, but a terror attack. No surprise that he refused to name Pakistan behind the Pulwama attack. Notably, Anurag Thakur, Ravi Shankar Prasad and other BJP leaders tore into Rahul Gandhi over his lecture and criticized him for targeting India on an international platform. In the past also, Rahul Gandhi had gone abroad and tried hard to tarnish the image of India on the global platform by raking up issues without any concrete evidence.